That's how it comes up. I got quite a few more roads to build, short pieces, and also the road out to the cement plant. So there will be a road that comes across here and all the way along here, joins up where this tape is, and goes into the cement plant, and then it'll continue on, disappear over there someplace. This is my water supply down here. I don't have a faucet anywhere near, so that's how I bring water down and dispense it. Looks pretty good. I only have to fill it once in a while, every few days maybe, if I'm using a lot of water. The switches have not arrived yet, so I can't complete that. So I'm pretty content. I'm just working on the road. And I'll continue. I'll bring you back if something interesting happens. After trying multiple pens, different brands and types, the only one that seems to be satisfactory is this one. It's called a Pen Touch. 2 millimeter line, which is close. If it was blacktop, tarmac, it would probably show up a little bit better, but it isn't. Well, I've got to be honest with you, I'm not happy with the way the roads look. I'm happy with the surface, the plaster, that's all good. But the color, I don't know, it looks like, I don't know, it's not working for me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to my tried and true method, which is chalkboard paint and some weathering on it, which I think gives a realistic tarmac asphalt kind of a look, at least to me. It also provides contrast for the lines. The paint is not as dense as one might hope that I used for the lines, and it doesn't show up that well. So I'm going to paint this with my standard method, and I'll let you watch a little bit as I get going, but I won't make you watch the whole thing, so stand by. The crossings came out pretty good. Happy with that. This one needs a little bit of touch up there on that, right there. But it came out pretty good too. I thought I'd do a little weathering before I stop for the day. It's not really dry yet. Gives it a nice dusty gray color. About the color of, to me anyway, it's about the color of weathered asphalt. I'll have to let these dry. They're not quite dry yet. Sort of evens up the surface too. So that's what the roads are going to be like on Colorado Northwestern. I tried the Woodland Scenics concrete paint. I dappled it and tried to make it better, but yeah, that wasn't going to work, not for me. So I went back to my tried and true method, which is chalkboard paint and a little rubbing a little drywall mud on it. Drywall mud chunks, that is. And I think that gives a pretty satisfactory road surface. So that's what we're going with. See you next time. Bye.